Hello and welcome. This is a quick tutorial on how to navigate the database on the NYSSMA Best Practices website. Once you choose the level that you are looking to search through, you can scroll through the records. You can also scroll left to right and notice that the common left-hand side stays put. To access the lesson plan more deeply, you just click on any field and either press the expansion arrows or the space bar. This then gives you direct access into the lesson plan, all the information related to it, and all materials related to it as well. Links are live and active. To filter, you just click on the filter button, add filter, choose which field you want to filter by. In this case, I'm going to do lesson plan activity name contains composition. Just click on the green button, and these are lesson plans that have the word composition in its title. Doesn't mean it's the only composition possible. I can remove the filter. I can then group. I can pick a field to group by. In this case, I'll choose content area. So if I'm looking for an elementary social emotional learning lesson, I can scroll down until I find it. And there's several. If it has more than one tag, then I put it in its own group. Click on any field and press the space bar. And it gives you all the resources that you need. You can remove the grouping by clicking on the X. You can sort by picking a field to sort by. I'm going to choose Anchor Standard Met this time. Click on this to pull that window up, and it sorts it alphabetically for you. We can remove the sort. And if you want to see more information per field, you can click on the row height and choose short, medium, tall, or extra tall. If you like to interact with it in a more CSV or comma separated value type way using Excel or Sheets or numbers, you can click on the three dots and choose Download CSV or from the bottom right hand corner. You can also choose to hide fields. You can toggle off what you don't want to see, and it will remove and only give you what you want to see. If you want to see a larger version, you go to the bottom right hand corner. It will bring you to a new tab, and you can still interact the same way. Click on any field and press the space bar. If you want to just do a straight up search, you click on the magnifying glass and type in the word that you're looking for, and it will highlight anything anywhere that has that word in it. Click on the X to remove it. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at chrisgilbertmusic@yahoo.com. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.